Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to use a stitch feature of TikTok. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, now look for the video with which you want to use the stitch feature. Basically, you can use this feature with another video, and with the help of this feature you can attach your video easily. So search for the video, and after searching you can see the option on the bottom, right? It's an arrow icon. Tap on it, and here you can see the option stitch on the right bottom. If you can't see, then swipe this line to the left side, and then you will see the option stitch. If you want to use it, then tap on it. Now it's loading. Now from here, trim that part which you don't want to use. Just for example, I will trim this from the start, and after it, tap on this next icon which is on the top right. And here, record your new video on TikTok. And then after recording, you can stitch it with previous one. So it was the primary way by which you can use stitch feature on TikTok.